and on screen right away.
Hola, esta llamada se está traduciendo y subtitular de forma simultánea.
Hello? Can I make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
Hola, ¿puedo hacer una reserva para mañana a las 7 de la noche?
Por supuesto. ¿Para cuántas personas?
Of course. For how many people?
Table for 2, please.
Mesa para 2, por favor.
¿A nombre de quién?
Under whose name?
Harrison.
Harrison.
Gracias. Nos vemos mañana a las 7 de la tarde.
Thank you. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Amazing, right? It's like having your own personal interpreter on your calls. The Galaxy S24 series offers real-time two-way call translations within the native call app. It'll support audio and text translations for up to 13 languages at launch. And it all happens right there on the device, keeping your phone calls private. It'll even remember your language settings and what language each contact speaks, so you don't have to make updates before you have your next conversation. And Live Translate works no matter what kind of phone the other person is using, even a landline. So, if you happen to make a lot of international calls or enjoy exploring local hotspots while traveling, Live Translate makes it easy to have those conversations. These translations work in person too. Galaxy S24 can act as your personal interpreter, whether you're lost and asking for directions or speaking to a merchant at a local marketplace.
Excuse me? I'm looking for the palace. Can you tell me how to get there?
Perdón, estoy buscando el palacio. ¿Puedes decirme cómo llegar allí?
Camine unas 2 cuadras en esa dirección y gire a la izquierda.
Walk about 2 blocks in that direction and turn left.
Okay.
Está bien.
Es muy fácil de encontrar. No se lo perderá.
It's very easy to find. You can't miss it.
Thank you.
Gracias.
What you say will be translated both verbally and via text for the other person, and vice versa. So you'll be able to communicate just like that. From calls in the native app to in-person conversations, the Galaxy S24 translations to help you communicate in other languages seamlessly. That experience was built right into our Samsung keyboard to help you directly translate words or phrases as you type. And now you'll have a more intuitive translation available right
on your Android phone using a simple gesture without switching apps. Thanks to breakthroughs in Google AI, you can now circle, highlight, scribble, or tap whatever you're curious about on your screen to learn more. So let's take this example where I'm interested in what a creator is wearing in their social post, but they didn't tag the brands. Today, if I see something I'm interested in, I'd have to take a screenshot and then leave the app to search it. And switching between different apps can be kind of inconvenient and take you out of your flow. But now, just long press the home button to invoke Circle to Search. And from there, you can select any item, like these sunglasses, to quickly uncover similar options and where to buy them. Without leaving where you are, you could also scribble the bag to see what that is. I've been really into this padded bag trend lately, so we'll definitely be checking these out. It's so amazing, right? Or if I wanted to know more about the boots instead, I could just tap on them quickly to look those up too. And just like that, your curiosity is satisfied. And when you're done, you can just swipe away and you're right back where you started. Or for example, perhaps you're browsing social and come across what looks like a really delicious corn dog that you want to know more about. With the power of generative AI, you can ask more complex and nuanced questions than ever before, so you can more easily understand concepts or topics through helpful information that's pulled together from across the web. So I can circle the corn dog and ask a question like, why are these so popular? And I quickly learn that these treats are Korean corn dogs, and they're trending because they feature a unique combination of flavors and textures, crunchy and gooey at the same time. And from there, you can get right back to what you were doing. This is all possible due to Google's deep understanding of information in its many forms, paired with our world-class ranking systems to deliver helpful, high-quality information. And of course, Google has long been committed to keeping your personal data secure, and Circle to Search was built with privacy in mind. It's designed to use only the area you select on your screen to begin your search. Okay, so we've talked a bit about this exciting innovation, but let's actually see the magic in action. Okay, so say my friend texts me to plan for our upcoming trip to London. She loves vintage clothes, and she wants to know if I know of any thrift stores around Camden Market. So I can just long press the home button and select the text in her message. Let's do that again. And instantly see
Mon Dieu! Lots of visitors today. Look at the line.
They're all here for the Mona Lisa. She's always been this popular. Look at them, especially those people. How do they expect to get pictures from all the way back there? Ooh, what is that?
Wait, is that the new Galaxy S24 Ultra?
What does it do?
It's Samsung's smartest AI-powered camera ever, designed to enhance the way people use Zoom in their day-to-day. With the new 5x optical zoom lens with 50-megapixel sensor, they closed the gap between the 3x and 10x zoom lenses and found the optimal hardware combination for high-quality photos and videos. This fresh new lens even delivers top-notch optical quality in 10x zoom.
Get a shot of us too.
That is impressive. How does it work?
The Galaxy S24 Ultra captures 50-megapixel images with the new 5x optical zoom lens, then crops the center of the screen to create an impeccable 12-megapixel image with no loss in image quality. Thanks to the new improved NPU, the AI is faster and more accurate. This means it can perform multi-frame processing and super resolution simultaneously from the get-go. So cropped 12-megapixel images still have top-notch quality. Galaxy S24 Ultra optimizes separate frames into a single exceptional image.
Wow, bravo! Hold for your applause. There's more. AI quickly analyzes images from both cameras even before you press the shutter. And based on the recognition of different types of subjects, it fine-tunes details in each area. The AI touches up the skin, sharpens details like grass and trees, and even amplifies subtleties in clothing and hair to give you optimal results with maximum detail. Galaxy S24 Ultra's powerful AI technology is sure to once again wow people with its unparalleled picture quality.
Impressive! Samsung Galaxy's smartest AI-powered camera. So epic.